It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 4th of November. I'm Michael Groff. A pretty glorious weekend ahead with temperatures right about where they should be for early November. But by the first part of the upcoming week, clouds back on the increase. And could we see some rain around here? That's the big question. Let's dive in and talk about it. 81 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday. And we'll be right around there again today. You see, we are 1.83 inches behind where we should be on our rainfall for the year. Outside right now at the utterly insane hour of 4:35 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies in the valley, 70 degrees. What a warm start to the day at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 52, humidity 53%. The winds are light and the barometer is falling. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, mostly in the 60s to about 70s. Certainly these are well above average for early November. The water vapor satellite view continues to show a split flow across much of the contiguous United States. The southern branch is pretty quiet, although periods of clouds. The northern branch is where all the action is. We see that on the watch warning map. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings extend from the Pacific Northwest through the northern Rockies, all the way out into the plains. North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin. The snowflakes are flying there. Dense fog advisories extend from eastern Colorado all the way through Tennessee and northern Alabama. And on the convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather, but by tomorrow, there is an enhanced risk to include places like Indianapolis, and the broader severe weather risk extends all the way from St. Louis to Chicago, Detroit, and Cleveland. Rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming from the WPC, nothing for the valley, and this area continues to get trimmed for northern and eastern Arizona, now just showing a few hundredths of an inch in the far northeast part of our state. And we'll talk about why that is right now as we delve into the models and see what's going on. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. We start with the upper look at 500 millibars. This is about 18,000 feet up. Split flow. The southern branch, periods of mid and high level clouds where we are. To our north, however, a pretty nice looking trough from the Pacific Northwest through the northern plains. Down at the surface, mostly cloudy skies around here this morning. That should give way to mostly sunny skies by this afternoon. Still going to be a few clouds around though. Not going to ruin the day though. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s. Should be absolutely perfect out there. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. Lows upper 50s to middle 60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny in the morning. I think we become partly sunny by the afternoon as another increase in clouds comes our way. And highs will be in the low to mid 80s. Monday, I'd say a mix of sun and clouds and highs again low 80s. Might mention a small chance of a light shower across northern Arizona. Maybe a sprinkle in Southern California, Southern Nevada, but around here it should be pretty dry. Tuesday, we start to see a weather pattern change as confluence continues along the west coast and the mid-levels, and that means the flow is going to consolidate. A nice weather disturbance passes to our north, and that was going to yield maybe a chance of some showers here in southern Arizona, but I just don't see that happening now. I think the day is going to be mostly cloudy, and there might be a sprinkle someplace, but I think overall, we're going to just have to call the day dry here for southern Arizona. Maybe an isolated shower in northern or eastern sections of the state, but for us, just no chance of measurable rain, unfortunately. Highs mid-70s to about 80. On Wednesday, we'll call it partly cloudy, highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Thursday, low 80s with mostly sunny skies. And Friday, with ridging building across Mexico, conditions should be dry and high temperatures low to mid-80s. Next weekend, as we go to a week from today, this is Saturday, 11/11. And again, pretty dry conditions, a westerly flow, and high temperatures low to mid-80s. Sunday, mostly sunny skies, maybe a few high clouds troughing to our west, ridging to our south and east. And so a west-southwest flow will continue. Highs low to mid-80s. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Monday, the 13th of November. And this looks pretty dry with troughing moving into the west and weakening as it bumps up against that ridge. High temperatures, upper 70s to low 80s. Overall, not looking too bad. Temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period, not bad either. Highs maybe a few degrees above where they should be as we go into the middle and latter portion of next week. But generally speaking, pretty glorious weather ahead. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here on Monday morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe and have yourselves a great rest of the weekend, everybody. See you back here on Monday.